Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'll be discussing our Epi Radiance Sunrise Bundle. It comes with the serum and it comes with a cream. What's great about this skincare is it has really important ingredients for your skin. It has hyaluronic acid and it has niacinamide. Those ingredients help for hydration, moisturizing, redness, reducing the size of your pores, just all around great ingredients for a skincare routine. What's also amazing about these products is that they are 100% organic, they are gluten-free, and they are vegan, and they also have no animal cruelty involved. The treatment and the ingredients for these products are made for people who have autoimmune skin disorders, so you will not have any inflammation, redness, or any reaction with these products, which is great. They also help making your skin look younger, firmer, and brighter. I suggest using these in the morning after you wash your face and before your makeup routine. So I think I should check these out at epilinkscosmetics.com, and I'll see you guys later. Because it has